Good morning, students. We will discuss about the digestive system of mammals from BSc third year class. Paper number 2, Mammalian Physiology and Endocrinology. Physiology of digestion. Digestion is a series of physical and chemical changes by which the complex food material is converted into simple soluble forms by the action of enzymes. Digestion mainly takes place in 3 parts. First in buccal cavity, second stomach, and third one is small intestine. Types of digestion. Here two main types of digestion. Here first is intracellular digestion. Here intracellular digestion digestion takes place inside the cell, so called as intracellular digestion. This takes place in protozoans as well as coelentrates and sponges. Second type is extracellular digestion. In this digestion, food material takes place in the lumen of digestive tract, that is outside the cell, and this type occurs in the higher vertebrates. Digestive system anatomy. The digestive system of mammals includes the alimentary canal and some accessory organs. The digestive system is group of organs working together to convert food into energy and basic nutrients supply to the entire body. Food passes through the long tube inside the body known as alimentary canal, or it is also called as gastrointestinal tract. This digestive system divided into 2 parts. First one is alimentary canal and second is digestive glands. Let us start with alimentary canal. Alimentary canal includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and last one part is anus. First, mouth. Food begins its journey through the digestive system in the mouth, also known as oral cavity. Here mouth is called as oral cavity. Mouth is surrounded by lips. The mouth is surrounded by upper and lower lips. Buccal cavity contains tongue, teeth, and salivary glands are present in the buccal cavity, and these teeth are about 32 in number. Teeth breaks the food particles into smaller particles. During the process of mastication, the food is mixed with saliva secreted by the salivary gland. The teeth are small, hard organs found along the anterior and lateral edges of mouth. Each tooth is made up of bone-like substance called as dentine. Tooth is made up of bone-like structure called as dentine, and dentine covered with the hard material. It is called as enamel. This enamel is hardest part in our body. Teeth are living organs, contains blood vessels, nerves in soft region known as pulp cavity. Here in the structure of teeth, here pulp cavity is present, and these pulp cavities supplies with the blood and nerve vessel. So teeth is living organ. Teeth used for cutting and grinding the food into the smaller particles. Second part present in the mouth is tongue. Tongue is muscular organ. It is attached at posterior end and free in front. It contains 2 important structures on the surface. They are papillae and taste buds. The tongue contains 2 important structure, taste buds taste buds and papillae. These papillae used for gripping the food material, and taste buds on the surface of the tongue detect taste molecules in the food. The tongue useful for tasting the food material, speech and secretion of the mucus. Next, present in buccal cavity is salivary glands. These salivary glands, 3 types of salivary glands present in the buccal cavity: submandibular salivary glands, sublingual and parotid salivary glands. All these salivary glands secretes watery secretion known as mucus, and this mucus contains enzyme for starch digestion. Next part is pharynx. This pharynx, it is called as common chamber, and this pharynx is muscular tube connects the nasal cavity to the larynx of the esophagus. It is common chamber for passage of air and food particles. Next part is esophagus. This esophagus is also muscular tube-like structure, mainly function as conduct the food material. The wall of esophagus, here mucosa shows finger-like folding, and this finger-like folding contains numerous mucus secreting glands, and due to these mucus secreting glands present in the esophagus, food is easily conducted towards the stomach. Next part is stomach. This stomach is again muscular sac-like structures present, and this stomach divided into 3 parts: cardiac stomach, main fundic part, and towards the duodenum pyloric part is present. Towards the cardiac part, here cardiac sphincter is present, and towards the pyloric region, here pyloric sphincter is present. These sphincters functions as to prevent backflow of blood. This stomach also secretes HCl as well as gastric juice. Gastric juice is used for digestion of food material, and HCl used for acidic media. In presence of acidic media, food material is digested in the stomach. Next part is small intestine. This small intestine lies between the stomach and large intestine. It includes 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. The small intestine is so small because its diameter is smaller than the large intestine. It is longer, thin tube, about 1 inch in diameter and about 10 feet long. Small intestine is coiled structure. Mucous membrane shows numerous finger-like folding, and this finger-like folding increase the absorptive areas, and this finger-like folding is called as phyla. In small intestine, complete digestion and absorption of food material takes place. Next part is large intestine. This large intestine is long, thick tube. It is located just inferior to the stomach. The large intestine absorbs water, contains many symbiotic bacteria that aids in the breaking down of waste to extract some small amount of nutrients. Feces in the large intestine exit the body through the anal canal, and through the anal canal feces exit from the body. Next part is associated digestive gland. The associated digestive glands, salivary gland, liver and pancreas present. First is liver. This liver is largest digestive glands present in our body. It is roughly triangular accessory organ of the digestive system located to the right side of the stomach. The liver has many different functions in the body. but the main function of liver in digestion is secretes the bile, and this bile is used to create the alkaline media for digestion of the food material. The gallbladder also present in the liver. This gallbladder is small pear-shaped structure in the located just posterior to the liver. The gallbladder is used to store and recycle excess bile from the small intestine. Next, digestive gland is pancreas. The pancreas is also second largest digestive gland in our body. Pancreas, it is mainly two types of pancreas present, so it is called as heterocrine gland. Here pancreas shows exocrine and endocrine portion. Pancreas shows two parts, exocrine and endocrine part. Exocrine, these are related to the digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes secreted by the exocrine part, and endocrine part, here hormones are secreted, and these hormones mainly functions to regulate the blood sugar. This is all about the digestive system of mammals. Thank you.